Hello students, today we will study about jump statements. What are jump statements? In some situations, we want to exit from the loop, we want to come out from the loop or skip particular statement. We want to skip some statement before continuing with further in the loop. So, in this we will study about break, continue, pass. These are three jump statements. First we will study break statement. Break statement. What does this break statement do? It terminates the current loop. Break statement terminates the current loop. Break statement terminates the current loop. For example, for I in computer science. Print I. I will save this program. Suppose I give name J1 and then I will run it. You all know this. Now, break statement. How I will use break statement. If I is equal to t. If I is equal to t, I will say break. And then print over. Save, run it. See here. In this, first it is I is having value c. Condition is false. It will not go to break. It will not go in if statement. It will directly print IC. Till this condition is false, it is printing I value, that is u. As soon as t condition is true, break, it will come out from the loop. It will come out from the loop over. It will not execute any other value. Suppose here if I write p, you can see as it has encounter p. As soon as p condition is true, it will come out from the loop. Suppose I change here, I say O. As soon as it will come at O, the loop will be over. You can see C, O, in O condition is true, break. So this is terminating the current loop. Now next is my continue. Next is continue statement. Continue. In continue statement, jumps to the next iteration. It jumps for next iteration. Suppose in place of break, I will put continue. Save and run it. You can see C O. O is skipped. O is skipped. Rest. It has continued. That it has continued. It has skipped just this condition, and rest it will show as it is. Suppose I say S. Save run. You can see it has skipped just S, and rest loop is continued. This is your continuous statement. Now I give you one more example. Welcome. Suppose I say L. Save and run. You can see L is skipped. If I will give it break, then loop will terminate. Otherwise, just that value is skipped. Break. After V, it is over. If I say here continue, it will just skip the value L. You can see it. Now, pass statement. Nothing happens. It is useful in places where your code has not been written yet. That means till now you haven't written any code. For this, you will write just pass. Save and run. You can see there is no output. There is no output. So this is your pass condition. So this was all about this jump statements. Now I will tell you about range function also. Range function. For I in range 1, 11. Print I. You can see. Now suppose I give here, by default step value is 1. By default step value is 1. You can see. Now suppose I want to skip one value. I will give step value 2. You can see it. Suppose I give step value 10, or I can say I give 5. You can see I give value up to 50. You can see. Now suppose I give value 9. You can see the difference. Let's keep 9 values. So this way you can do. If I give 2, 2 values are skipped. 3. If I give 4. So these are the step values you can use like this. And I will also tell you about infinite loop. Infinite loop means the loop which will never end. Infinite loop. For example, where is equal to 1 while I will give you a value I. It is user defined, you can give where also, but I prefer I. I will give I less than equal to 10. Print I. I is equal to I plus 1. Let's see. I is equal to I plus. Okay, I have written here I plus I. That means I was doing it I plus 1, but by mistake it has written it I plus I. So it's also good. So you should understand this concept also. Here you can see I is 1, 1 printed 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, and in 16 condition is false. If it was 1, it will be like this. Now suppose I say here 11. You can see there is no output. Since condition is false, it will not move into the loop. Condition is false, it will not move into the loop. Now suppose I say here 1 and I remove this condition. Then you will see the output. This is never ending infinite loop because I value will be 1 and it will always be true because I is 1 and 1 is less than equal to 10. Condition is true. So this kind of loop is infinite loop. So this is about the infinite loop. Or you can give condition it like this also, is equal to 1. This condition will be always true because I is only 1. Always because I have changed the value. Say. So this is infinite loop. So this is all about if, else, for loop, while loop, and your jump statements. Okay.